Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tabishi, your girl next door. Oh my god, I'm shooting after such a long time. It feels great. Okay, so first of all, before I get into the video, I want to take a minute to wish everyone a very happy Diwali. So if you want to skip the intro, I will leave the timestamp from where the video exactly starts, so you can just skip this part. So yeah, I mean, it feels great to shoot after such a long time. I think I have been missing out in action for I don't know, for a year now. I think I just posted a couple of videos in this year and I don't feel good about it. But I think it was the negative impact of COVID on me, and with the festivities coming around, I decided to change that and I decided to go back on making videos. Yeah, so here I am. I mean, I'm sorry I've not been posting, but I really wanted to shoot this before Diwali. So I want to wish all of you a very happy Diwali, very happy Chhat Puja, very happy. I know there's so many festivals coming around for different people, different kind of festivals. Like Chhat is only for Bihar. So yeah, I mean, this is the festive season, and I want to just wish everybody a very happy Diwali. I hope कि इस दिवाली के साथ जो भी negativity है वो at least कम होना शुरू हो जाए. I mean, I know it cannot get over immediately, but I hope that it brings out some positivity and our life starts going back to the normalcy that we had. Yeah, I mean, that's all pretty much that I'm hoping for. And I'm hoping कि इस दिवाली में जो बुराई की अंत होता है जो बुराई का, I hope कि वो हो जाए and we all just get to enjoy the lives like we used to, right? So yeah, so that's all for the wishes. I hope you all just stay very safe. And I also want to take this opportunity to tell everybody that try to be safe. I know festivals आ रहे हैं तो लोग भूल जाएंगे, but अभी कोरोना यहीं पे है तो हम लोग को थोड़ा सा केयरफुल रहना पड़ेगा. तो please celebrate your festivals, but just be a little bit careful. Okay, so now without any further ado, let's just get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna share few of the product empties that I have been using, and I will tell you if I have liked that product or not. I have done this video once in the past, and I think I love watching product empties video, and I think everybody probably would like it because that's when you get to know if a product was good or no. First impressions really doesn't tell it, exactly if it was a good product or not. Like in product empties का मतलब है कि you have used that product fully and you know if you like the product or not. So yeah, so first of all, the very first product that I want to talk about is a tea tree oil. Now I'm a very regular user for tea tree oil. I belong to a dry skin family, but मेरे को यहाँ फोरहेड पे बहुत बम्स आते हैं, तो उसके लिए मैं DIY करती हूँ. I do a DIY. I have made a full video on that. If you want to check out, you can go on my channel and you can have a look. I will also have it linked in the video down in the description box, so you can always check that. तो उसके लिए मैं यूजुअली नाइका एसेंशियल्स का टी ट्री ऑयल यूज़ करती थी, बट वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक था, तो आई गेव दिस अ शॉट. दिस इज एरोमा का एंड दिस इज अ स्मॉलर बॉटल एंड दिस कॉस्ट $270. आई थिंक आई रियली लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट फॉर दिस सिंपल रीज़न कि ये थोड़ा सा चीप है. आई थिंक नाइका वाला 350 या 360 का आता है, ये थोड़ा चीप है एंड ये बहुत इफेक्टिव था. मुझे लगता है कि जितना ज़्यादा आई यूज़ टी ट्री ऑयल, आई थिंक आई एम गोना गो बैक एंड परचेज दिस. In fact, I have already placed an order for this one, so I think now this tea tree oil is going to be my staple because I like the effect it had on my face, and I also think it's a bit cheaper. So I think this is what I'm gonna buy. So this is definitely a product that I like. Okay, the next product in my hand is a vitamin C serum. This is by Physician Formula, and this is how the product looks like. If I can focus it, not really. So this is the Physician's Formula vitamin C serum. This is called the Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. Physician's Formula का vitamin C serum I did not really like. I felt like it did nothing to me. The consistency of it was also a bit sticky. I know vitamin C serums are usually sticky, but this one I found a bit more sticky, and I did not like the effect it had on my face. Basically, I felt like it did nothing to me. It did nothing on my face. तो मुझे ये अच्छा नहीं लगा. I don't think I'm gonna repurchase this ever. And this is actually a bit costly also. This is around 1200 or 1300, and you get 30 ml of the product in that. तो मुझे लगता है कि this is not cost effective, this is not effective at all, at least not for me. So I am definitely not going to buy this product. Okay, so the next product again in my skincare is a vitamin C product. This is actually a glow tonic. It doesn't really say it's vitamin C. Yeah, it's not exactly vitamin C, but it's a glow tonic. And this is from Pixi, and this is quite expensive. I think this is for 3000, and you get 250 ml of the product. But hear me out, the price is too much, but this goes for a long time. I mean, I took 1 year to finish this bottle up. However, I was using it every day in night. मैं अपने fiber cloth पे I used to put like 4-5 drops of this and like wipe my face with it, neck and the back of my neck, and it really has helped my skin. I feel all sorts of pigmentation that I had on my face, the different patches, the difference in the basically the unevenness of the face, that has reduced a lot. I love this product. I am going to buy this again. I think it has great reviews all around, and after using the entire gigantic bottle of it, I can tell why, and it's brilliant. I think you have to use it to understand what I'm talking about. It's brilliant. It's worth every penny. It goes for a long time, and it really helps your skin. You'll really feel morning में कि your skin is glowing. मुझे ये बहुत पसंद आया. I'm gonna repurchase it. Definitely. The next product, guys, is a lip balm. So if you know me, you know that I have extremely dry lips, and I swear by lip balms. Like, I cannot do anything without a lip balm. So I love lip balms, but for me, the lip balm has to be good. Like, it cannot be. I don't like lip balms that just nourishes your skin, lips for say 2 hours. I mean, I have such dry lips कि I need something that can nourish my lips for a longer period of time. And of course, it has to be non-sticky, because if a lip balm is sticky, then you don't feel comfortable. It has to be comfortable. It has to be not that strong smelling product, and of course it has to nourish your lips. And I have finished this pot completely. So lip balms you usually tend to lose, right? And I have finished this up, so you can imagine how much I love this product. I think this is by Nykaa, and I think the price of this is 400 or 450. The fragrance of this product is not that strong. It's not sticky, and it nourishes your lips for a very long time. So I definitely recommend this lip balm if you are looking for. The only issue that I have with this lip balm is that it is in a pot. But what to do? I think all good lip balms are available only in pots. So pots में मुझे ये दिक्कत होती है कि once I apply it, I don't know what to do with the product that is stuck on my fingers. क्या करें, यही available है, तो बहुत मुझे पसंद आया है, and I'm gonna definitely repurchase this one for sure. Okay, we are down to last 4 products. Oh my god, there are so many products, and that's because मैंने 1 साल से कोई वीडियो ही नहीं बनाया है, तो 1 साल में इतने products यूज़ करना तो बनता है, right? Okay, so the next cream that I have is by Plum. It is the Grape Seed and Sea Buckthorn Night Cream by Plum, and this is a 50 ml jar. This is also completely finished, you guys. I have mixed feelings about this particular product, and I'll tell you why. So for the price point, the product is really nice. The consistency is good, and when you apply it, you don't feel oily. And for the price, I think to get such a consistency is really difficult in the market. Plum has kept it really affordable. And I will tell you that if you are oily skin, I think you would want to stay away from this one. This is for dry skin or combination skin, because this is not too टू मॉइस्चराइजिंग, तो कॉम्बिनेशन वाले भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट ऑयली वालों के लिए शायद इट विल बी अ लिटिल हैवी. बट इफ़ यू हैव like really dry skin, it might not nourish you that well. Like me, I was actually, so basically all the night creams are so costly in the market, so I was looking for an affordable one. Found this, the reviews were nice and it was meant for dry skin, so I got it. This is good, but I had mix like a few drops of oil in it and then apply it. So it used to nourish my skin. Like in the morning I used to not feel dry, but without mixing oil in this product, when I used to wake up I used to feel like a little dry, not too much but a little dry, not too nourished. So I would suggest ki, if you have very dry skin, then I mean, I don't know what to say. I mean, it's easy to mix 2 or 3 drops of coconut oil or any oil available in your house and then apply this instead of investing a lot of money on a night cream. But alone, this product for extremely dry skin, not very good, I guess. I mean, it didn't work for me. So it's mixed. The consistency is nice, it nourishes, but you have extremely dry skin, might not work for you. But in that case, you can always mix some drops of oil and then apply it on your face, then you're good to go. So I think I might go back and repurchase this when I am out of money. Okay, the next two are not really product empties, but these are in sachets, तो मैं इसको club करके बता देती हूँ. First one is the Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Blackhead 3-step program. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. So ये एक sachet में आता है, ये $200 का है. इसमें you get 3 steps in this. The first one is a patch that you have to apply and it will open your pores. The second one is of course the charcoal strap, right? The charcoal strap that you have to apply on your nose. You have to wait for like 15-20 minutes and then you have to pull it. And then the third step is the pore closing mask, which again is like a sheet mask cut in the shape of your nose. You have to apply that and it will close your pores. So what I feel about this product is that it's very expensive because it's $200 and it's just one-time use, but it is extremely effective. My god, when I applied this, like I was not really expecting a lot out of this, so I just got it and I thought I'll try it. Guys, when I applied the charcoal strap on my nose and I pulled it out, I was shocked. It was gross, but it was so satisfying. You know what I mean? I mean, it was like, oh my god, was there so much of gunk on my nose pores? Even though I'm not from oily skin family, it was amazing. I mean, the whole strap was full of whiteheads and you could clearly see, you guys. So I love it. I mean, I might not use it so often, but probably once a month or maybe once in 1.5 months, I might just go back and use it because this is really effective. It will make sure that you don't get blackheads. And it's so difficult to remove your whiteheads otherwise, but this charcoal thing is amazing. I loved it. And the second thing that I have on my hand is a sheet mask, and this is by Lakme. Now I have used this also. This one is the kiwi variant. Yeah, this is the kiwi variant, and this retails for 100. I think this is like the usual price that you get for all sheet masks. So guys, basically I have stopped using sheet masks. I don't know if I should really recommend you guys to use it because it's not really environment friendly. But right now I'm in my hometown, I'm in Bihar, and suddenly the weather changed, winters are starting, and I was feeling really dry. So I decided to buy one sheet mask and just apply it because sheet masks are really nourishing. I mean, you get so much of serum and then you apply it on your face, you leave it for 20 minutes, your skin really gets nourished, and I wanted to do that. इसलिए मैंने ये खरीदा. But you guys, I have used so many sheet masks, you guys. I've used from Dear Packer, from Face Mask, from Tony Moly. I have like used so many. But this one was so good. I loved it. It was so good. The serum wasn't like pani, मैंने नायका का भी यूज़ किया और नायका का शीट मास्क मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है बिकॉज इट इज़ रियली watery and I don't like it. But this was very good. Like the serum was amazing in consistency and I applied it and you guys, I felt like my skin was glowing the next morning, and I'm not just telling you like that. When I woke up the next morning, my mother was asking me, what have you applied on your face? It's really looking fresh. And that's what I'm trying to tell you here, that you will feel really fresh, nourished, and after that मेरा regular moisturizer has been helping me out. So maybe I'll be, I mean, I really want to buy this more, but the only reason that I haven't is because I'm trying to be a little bit careful about the environment. ये sheet mask तो one time purchase है और फेंकने पड़ते हैं. But I might again like buy it and use it like once a month probably, because winters mein my skin really needs the hydration, and I think this is really I think the best sheet mask that I have used. So definitely a good product. Now, oh god, this video is so long. I'm so sorry you guys, but there's so many products. What can I do? I'm trying to be as fast as I can. So the next product that I have in my hand is by Mamaearth. You guys, this is the Mamaearth Bring Amla hair mask. Love the fact that it has Bhringraj and Amla, because I know that Bhringraj is super duper good for your hair, and Amla again is amazing for your hair. So I bought this product. This is finished. So this retails for $5.99 and you get I think 200 ml of the product. Yeah, 200 gram of the product, same as onion hair mask. I really like it, you guys, and not just me, my mother has been loving it. It is so good. How I like to use it, because this mask you can use on your scalp. So what I do is, before I take a shower, I just mix this with my flaxseed gel, which I make at home, which nowadays my mom is making at home, and I just mix it. मैं थोड़ी सी इसकी consistency पतली कर लेती हूँ. I mean, I just mix it and I make it a bit not too thick, like a थोड़ा paste sort of, and then I apply it all over my scalp and my strands, and I then take some steam. Otherwise you can skip steaming part also. I have tried it without steam also, because sometimes, because I do get lazy, तो उस time पे मैं इसको मतलब मैं नहाने के पहले लगाती हूँ. I use it before a shower, and then I wash my hair and I apply some conditioner. And you guys, this is gem. This is too good. I won't vouch too much for hair fall, but it has really improved the texture of my hair. It feels really silky, shiny. It becomes really manageable. I cannot recommend this enough. So I think I have actually already repurchased. This is already sitting in my dressing table right now. So I think when मैं इससे बोर हो जाऊँगी, I'll go back to onion and then this one. I think Mamaearth has solved really my problem, and I'm loving these products. Okay, the last product that I have finally in my hand is a body lotion. Of course, अगर मैं skin care, hair care की बात कर रही हूँ, तो nourishment के products तो होंगे ही मेरे list में. So this one is by Love Beauty and Planet. The one product that I swear by for my body lotion is by St. Ives or St. Ives. It comes in a huge gigantic bottle, and that I found was really cheap and बहुत quantity मिलती थी उस rate में, and it was really nourishing, but I was bored of it. Like, I had tried all the variants of it and I have been using that product for past 2 years without fail. ठीक है, तो मैं थोड़ा बोर हो गई थी and I wanted to try something different, and this is the coconut water and mimosa flower aroma body lotion. And yeah, this one is a vegan product, by the way, if you guys are into vegan products, because I am not. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मैं vegan products देखती हूँ, but ये वाला vegan product है तो मैं बता दे रही हूँ. और ये 400 ml है and इसका price $500 है. But I didn't buy it for 500. I think Nykaa पे ये हमेशा सेल पे होता है. It's always on sale on Nykaa. What I feel about this product is that it's good. Like, it's not better than the St. Ives one. So I definitely feel कि St. Ives वाला ज़्यादा better है. But और वो cheaper भी है. But ये वाला उसके बाद I think I can rank it like second in my list, because This hydrates your skin very well. It's not too steep in my opinion, because you're getting 400 ml for 500 bucks. Again, I'm like 500 is the full price. You won't have to like pay full price for this. So I think I think it's worth the money. It's a good product. The fragrances are amazing in this range. I haven't tried any other variant as of now, but I really like the fragrance of this one. Very subtle, but still something is there. It's not like kuch hai nahi fragrance. It's something is there, very subtle and very very nourishing. And I like the fact that it again comes in a pump. And yeah, I mean it's a good product, and I will definitely buy it. Like I think I'm gonna alternate between Scentives and this one. Definitely. Whew. So with that, we have come to the end of the video. I feel like I've been talking for so long. मैंने कितने products थे, but चलता है because मैंने सारे products बहुत सारे time में ख़त्म किया है. I think I have been using these for the past 3-4 months, and then I have accumulated these many products. So yeah guys, this was it for this video. I think COVID के कारण I've become so negative and I haven't been really making any videos because I feel like कि makeup का क्या video बनाऊँ, but I think I should go back to shooting because wow, I'm enjoying this so much. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, share my channel and subscribe to it. And once again, I wish all of you a very happy Diwali. I want to tell you once again that be very safe and enjoy festivals, but please do have this in mind that Corona is still here. So please wear your mask, maintain distance with people, and enjoy these festivals with your family, and stay happy, stay blessed, and let's all just hope together that soon things will change for us. So I'll be up soon, hopefully, with my next video. Till the time, take care, bye bye, be beautiful, and I'm very happy Diwali to all of you from all of us once again. Namaste.